Hello everyone, I am Dr. Atya Arzu. Today I am going to discuss about our planet Earth, which is a precious blue pearl. It is not only a precious blue pearl, it is more precious than blue pearl. Here you can see Earth, how Earth is looking like a pearl. So here I have compared this Earth with blue pearl. And I'm going to discuss each and everything, why I have chosen this and I have named this as a blue pearl. You can see here one thing. There are several planets are there. There are all the planets are there. Mercury, Saturn, Earth, Venus, Earth, Mars, Venus. All these planets are here. But nowhere we can survive. Only Earth is a planet where we can survive. So now we can't say this is only a blue pearl, but we can say that it is more and more precious than a blue pearl. So I have compared this planet with blue pearl. And I cannot explain about this blue pearl because it has more and more valuable things, and it is having a lot of things within it, which I cannot explain in this short time period. But I would like to say about it. How can we protect this blue pearl? Because this blue pearl is going to be devastated, going to be destructed. So it is our duty to protect this blue pearl from this devastation, from this destruction. Because there is no other planet to survive. We cannot survive anywhere. There is no place for us. Only Earth is there where we can survive. So it is much more valuable, precious resource for us. Here you can see I have compared this blue pearl with its initial and after pollution, how this blue pearl is going to be devastated. Some giants, like we human being, also sometimes doing different kinds of pollutions for our need only. We are not thinking about this blue pearl. We are not thinking about our earth. You can see here how this environmental pollution occurs, and nowadays the dramatically changes occurs in this earth atmosphere due to urbanization, industrialization, and mining and smelting of ores, and different human activities like deforestation, burning of fossil fuels, etc. You can see here how this blue pearl is going to be devastated, destructed, and this blue pearl becomes destroyed. So it is our responsibility to protect this earth from all the sources. But simultaneously, we need economic development. For economic development, we have to do all these things. Whenever we are going to do any kind of development, we have to keep in our mind that we should also think about earth, and think about protection of earth, and think about not to go for destruction of this earth. And we also think about this only planet where we can survive. There is no planet for us. It is home for all the human beings as well as all organisms, like all floras, faunas, and different kind of microorganisms. So it is our duty, it is our responsibility to protect the earth from all external sources which is going to be polluted this environment, which is going to be destructed this environment. So it's my humble request to each and everyone to protect this earth and keep it as usual, like our blue pearl. Don't destroy this blue pearl, and don't degrade this blue pearl. So we have to do some practices for this. What kind of practices we can do? Simply, I can say that we can do practices like nowadays we are using number of plastics, so we can reduce the use of plastics. So similarly, we can adopt 4 R's principle to protect the environment, to conserve the environment, by which we will keep our blue pearl as usual. Otherwise, we can lost it. So, for what are these 4 R's principle? These 4 R's principle are reduce, reuse, recycle, and recover. Always we should have think about all these principles, and we have to go through this. But Each and every time we are saying that this is harmful, this is harmful, this is harmful, but still we are doing this. No one can changes this world. So it is our responsibility. Each and every individual should think like this. I have to protect my world. I have to protect my earth. Then we can protect our earth. Then all the peoples can protect the earth. It is not a responsibility of anyone. It is responsibility of all the peoples, all the citizens. Before going to all the citizens, all the peoples, individually we have to think. For example, I have to think about my earth. Similarly, you have to think about this earth, by which we can change the entire world. We have to change our attitude. Otherwise we cannot change this entire world. First I have to change my attitude to change entire world. So only one earth is possible. There is no other planet where we can survive. So it is my humble request to each and everyone to protect this earth from external pollutions, from other different kinds of devastations. For example, in each and every day we are doing some kinds of deforestation, but we are not planting a single tree. Whenever we are going to fulfill our needs by cutting trees, whenever we are going to cut a single tree, we have to think, why can't we plant 2 to 3 trees or 10 to 100 trees in a day? No, no one is thinking about that. No one is bothered about that. Yeah, it is our responsibility whenever we are going to take any resources from this earth, as Mother Earth is giving all these resources with free of cost, but we are not giving anything to this Mother Earth. So it is our responsibility, as our Mother Earth is giving each and everything to us. mm, it has no cost. We are getting each and everything freely available in this earth surface. So we have to think about that, how this Mother Earth can be can be can be protected, can be survive, and how can it gives more and more precious resources to us. Mother Earth never demands anything from us, but we people are not thinking about this Mother Earth. So as this beautiful earth is looking like blue and magnificent, and it is luxurious, so I have compared it with a blue pearl. It is not only a blue pearl, it is more precious than a blue pearl. So we have to think about this earth and think about this blue pearl. We have to keep this blue pearl forever. We don't have to lose this blue pearl, and we don't have to change this blue pearl into the black pearl. So it is my humble request to each and everyone, each and every individual should change their attitude to protect the earth, protect the atmosphere, and protect the earth. For our survival, it is also necessary. So we have to keep it beautiful. We have to keep it with a stable manner. We have to keep it pollution free, and it is our responsibility. Only one earth is there, so we have to care for it, and we have to share something with it, and we have to discuss with each and other to protect this earth, for our survival. This is my request to all of you. Please protect the earth surface, protect the mother earth, which gives us each and everything without any cost. We get food, fodder, it also provides habitat for us. It not only provides habitat for us, it also provides habitat for each and every organisms, like all floras, all plants, and all animals. We ultimately get food from plants and animals. If there will be no plants and animals, how can we survive? How can we get our food? And it also provides us oxygen. Without oxygen, how can we survive? It never demands us any kind of things to us. Only we have to think about that. How can we protect our earth from all the external sources? Please, it's my humble request to each and everyone. At least think once a day about the Mother Earth. At least think once about to keep as usual the blue pearl. Don't destroy this blue pearl. And it is my humble request to each and everyone, as this blue pearl is only one earth is there for our survival, there is no alternative sources are there, so we have to care for this. This is all about my topic. Thank you for listening this and watching this. Please, it's my request to all of you, please care for this, please care for this, please care for this.